Howdy folks, Chris Bianco here, part of your worldwide enablement team for IBM, and I'm one of two authors on this Level 3 course. Myself and Andy Jones have crafted together for you a Level 3 series on IBM Power Systems Virtual Server, which includes both a business partner and an IBM seller track. So we're going to go through the requirements of what you're going to do as part of this learning. You'll be joined by Andy in other videos and myself as part of introductions to the various modules that we'll be learning throughout this material. The learning material is broken up into distinct chapters, and to complete the Level 3 badge requirements, IBM and business partners and sellers need to complete parts 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 8 of this demonstration guide. IBM technical sellers and business partners who are also technical sellers need to complete all sections. However, both Andy and I recommend and encourage everyone to take all the sections if they have time, as there's a great value in going through the material. All modules are accompanied by recordings such as this one, developed and delivered by your team of authors. Be sure to watch these for a demonstration visually in terms of how to perform the hands-on lab components. And in particular, if you're an IBM seller or a technical seller, it's important to watch these recordings as they'll be key in developing and creating your own stand and deliver recording, which is required for accreditation as part of this Level 3 material. It's important to note that in order to receive your Level 3 accreditation, IBMers and partners need to demonstrate mastery of the skills that they learn throughout the various modules of these hands-on labs and coursework. Level 3 accreditation requirements and the way that you as a participant will be evaluated before receiving your accreditation differs depending on your job role. If you fall into the category of one of our business partners, you must pass an accreditation quiz by completing the hands-on components of the course and then receiving a quiz at the end of your coursework, which will consist of multiple choice questions with 4 possible responses and only 1 correct answer. There are prompts throughout the lab in terms of what you should record and look out for so that you can save time and not have to repeat components of the lab before jumping in and being accredited on that quiz. IBM sales and tech sellers must develop a stand and deliver recording and a presentation. This is a video which is intended to simulate your delivery of a live demo, such as this, in front of a client on camera. IBMers will have the flexibility to define their type of hypothetical client, the pain points that that customer has, and the goals that they ultimately aspire to. The recording will then cover the seller's hands-on demonstration and their pitch to the client of the value of the IBM solution using the environments and the techniques that you'll cover throughout this lab work. Specific criteria that must be demonstrated as part of the stand and deliver recordings is provided within the documentation that accompanies this hands-on learning.